What's up everyone? Today we're going to take a look at a brand new smart RGB LED lighting kit from a company called LOHAS LED. Let's do this. LOHAS LED is a lighting manufacturer that specializes in residential, commercial, and industrial lighting solutions. The focus of this video is going to be on this new smart RGB LED light strip kit. However, if you're interested in some of their other lighting products, I will link them down in the description of this video for you to check out. This smart RGB light strip kit is intended to be a complete solution, and it comes with everything that you need in order to get it up and running right inside the box. All of the included items come packed tightly and securely inside of a small cardboard box, including some warranty information, setup instructions, adapter cables, power supply and power cable, Wi-Fi controller, and of course, the light strips themselves. The strips come wound up around a plastic spool, which is common for a lot of these types of light strip kits. Setting up the hardware is simple. You just unravel the light strips, connect the Wi-Fi controller, and when you're doing this, make sure you match up the arrows on the light strips and on the controller, and then attach the power cable and plug it into an open wall outlet. To set up the smart controls and features, you'll need to install an app called Tuya, I think would be how you pronounce it. It's spelled T-U-Y-A, and it's available for both Apple and Android systems. The first time that you launch the app, you will be prompted to either log in or register an account if you don't already have one. Setting up the account is super easy. It just requires an email address and a few seconds of your time. Once you have an account, you can launch the app and start configuring and setting up your light strips. Click on the plus button in the top right corner, select the category called lighting, and then click on Wi-Fi lighting. Now it's time to power on the light strips. As soon as you plug them in, they should start blinking, which means they're ready to be synced with the app. If they don't start blinking, that means they're not ready. And to fix that, all you really need to do is unplug them and plug them in a few times, and it should get them into that blinking mode. And once they are blinking, you can go ahead and click on confirm. Next, you will need to enter your Wi-Fi network information, and you have to connect to a 2.4 gigahertz network because that is the only frequency that's supported by these light strips. Once you've done that, you can click on confirm, and the app should take about a minute to find and connect to your new light strips. And that's it for the setup process. You should now have full control over your light strips directly through the app. Here's a look at the different features and controls available. One of the main features of this lighting kit is the ability to control the lighting with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. To enable this feature in the app, you just click the pen symbol in the top right corner, and then from the third-party control menu, select the device that you want to set up. From there, you just follow a few on-screen prompts and you should be able to get up and running. I use Amazon Alexa in my house and the setup process worked perfectly for me. And now I can do things like this. Alexa, turn on the computer lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the window lights.
Okay.
Alexa, change the color of the computer lights to red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the studio lights.
Okay.
Now, when it comes to physically attaching the light strips to a surface, my recommendation is that you use these 3M command clips, and I'll put a link to them down in the description of the video. These things are a lot more secure than the little bit of adhesive tape that comes on the back of these light strips. And that's true for a lot of these lighting strip kits, not just this one. I use these command clips for all of my light strip installations. In fact, I even did an installation on the back of a fabric material couch once, and these things just held and never let go. So yeah, 3M command clips. They're inexpensive and they're awesome. Highly recommended. There's a couple more things worth mentioning before we wrap up this video. There's a bunch of lighting products out there on the market that use an app called Smart Life. I tested these light strips with that Smart Life app and they actually worked perfectly. So if you're already using Smart Life for some other lighting products, chances are you're gonna be able to get these to work with it. At least it worked for me. So that's one less piece of software that you have to worry about to control all of your lights. And according to the user manual, you can cut or trim these strips to whatever length you want, as long as you cut on the designated areas that are actually shown right on the strips themselves. And lastly, don't try and extend the strips by connecting multiple kits together, because according to the user manual, well, that's bad news. So don't do that. Overall, these smart LED light strips from LOHAS LED are a solid option for those looking for some smartphone controlled light strips that can also work with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. They're currently selling on Amazon for just under $30 US. The purchasing links are going to be right down here in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. See ya.